Describe an occasion when you ate a kind of food for the first time. You should say when you had it, where you ate it, what it was, and how you felt about it. I relish good food and hence love trying different world cuisines. I have tried Chinese, Italian and Mughlai food and I'm really fond of them. So it was a dream come true when I was recently invited for a friend's wedding. When I reached the venue, I was taken in for a surprise when I saw a lavish spread of so many cuisines from across the world. In fact, it looked more like a food festival than a wedding. My passion for food took over and I straightaway headed towards the place where the food was laid out. I was pleasantly surprised to see that there were so many dishes that it was even difficult to think where to start. After much contemplation, I stopped at the Italian food counter. There was a live pasta counter and a variety of Italian dishes that were laid out. I have had Italian food many times, but there were so many things that I had only heard or read about, but never actually tried. I decided to try tiramisu, which is an Italian dessert. Tiramisu is perhaps the country's most beloved after-dinner dessert, with a rich taste of coffee and has a mixture of eggs, cream and cheese flavored with cocoa. The moment I took the first bite, it just melted into my mouth and I could feel different flavors explode in my mouth. I had never ever tasted anything like it before. My taste buds exploded with flavor and yearned to have more. I developed an immediate liking for this Italian sweet and it became the most preferred sweet dish for me. Today, there are various variations of tiramisu that are available. One popular version is the chocolate tiramisu, in which the chocolate replaces the coffee. Another alternative is the fruit tiramisu, where complementary fruits such as berries, apricots and peaches are added. Tiramisu's popularity has prompted the chefs world across to adapt the original ingredients into various recipes such as cakes, ice creams and puddings. I'm glad that I got to try this amazing sweet dish and would recommend everyone to at least try it once. Thank you.